myself Akshat Nambiar from class 10th, and today I am going to show you a small presentation on COVID-19. As we all are knowing, in our India, a big disease is there known as coronavirus, in which our police officers, doctors, nurses and army officers are struggling for us so that we should be safe at our home. So I have made a small presentation, so let's watch it.
In the last weeks of 2019, while the world was ready to welcome the year 2020, many local hospitals in Wuhan, China reported an unusual number of cases who had severe pneumonia without clear cause, and they were not responding to any form of existing vaccine or medicines. Soon after, a seafood market in the Hunan region was linked to all these cases. This was a wholesale seafood market which had about 1,000 stalls selling fish, chickens, bats, snakes, rabbits and many other wild animals. These cases showed a very high human-to-human transmission rate which was further increasing as the days progressed. An initial hypothesis was formulated that this was a new type of coronavirus that evolved in the animals being sold in the seafood market of Wuhan. This resulted in a fear that it could be similar to the SARS epidemic of 2002, which infected 8,000 people and killed 774. But they were all wrong, because this was going to be something much worse. By early January 2020, about 59 suspected cases were picked up from all local hospitals in Wuhan and isolated in the Jinyandan Hospital of Wuhan. Out of these 59 suspected cases, 41 were confirmed with the 2019 novel coronavirus infection. Their isolation was too late, and before they were isolated, these cases had infected hundreds of others that eventually infected thousands, and thus starting the 2019 novel coronavirus epidemic. What started as a localized epidemic in the central China quickly spread to involve all other Chinese provinces in a matter of few weeks. This spread was escalated by the Chinese New Year and thousands of tourists out of their home. The situation became very tense when cases in other countries were also reported, which were transmitted by international travelers. The first cases were reported from Vietnam, and soon after, several new cases were reported from Germany, Thailand, Japan, Australia, United States, Russia, and a dozen of new countries, leading to a global panic situation. The epidemic caused its first death on January 9, 2020, but the death toll had just begun. As of making this video, the novel coronavirus epidemic has led to more than 95,000 confirmed cases, of which 8,000 are serious. More than 65 countries have been affected with major outbreaks in central China, South Korea, Italy and Iran. More than 3,300 people have died due to this epidemic.
Guys, have you seen that how these great peoples are struggling for us? So these great peoples deserve a big salute, and in the form of thanks we can do just one thing, that be at home. So be at home, be safe, be healthy. Thank you.